Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Estella. Today I will show you Gata only trend video. Want this? Copyright issue. Add 16 clips of your idol. First clip duration should be 3.6 seconds, and rest of the 15 clips duration should be 0.6 or 0.7 seconds and also adjusted according to beats. Now go to adjust and make saturation to -50. Contrast to 8. Sharpen to 100. Brightness -3. Now drag it until you hear first beat. Where the edit gets start you can see like I'm doing it. The length of adjust is a little bit short from first clip. I just made splits in first clip to make it easy so don't get confused. Now again make another adjust by clicking on adjust to make your video quality good. If you don't want it then just save this video and follow my next step. Make the saturation to 40. Contrast 16. Brightness 10. Sharpen 100. Highlights 7. Then make it length equal to your full video. And save this video. If you want good quality, then go the Wink app and choose video quality. Now select your video which you have saved. Now make a split at the first beat, where the color also gets changed. The make splits in full video according to beat and where the clip end like it was before. After making splits, go to the second clip and click on animation and choose swing bottom and make its duration 0.1 seconds. Choose swing bottom for all clips and make the duration 0.1. After applying animation, go the second clip again and click on overlay and add a white picture. Make its length 0.6 seconds. Now add 3 keyframe, one at the start, one in the middle, and one at the end. At the first keyframe, go to splices and choose overlay and make it 7:4. At the second keyframe, make it 50. And at the third keyframe, make it 22 or 20. Now make a duplicate of it or add a new white picture. Now delete the keyframes of duplicate. Make its length a little short from the clip. You can see mine. And add 2 new keyframes, one at the start and one at the end. Now at the first keyframe, go to splices again and choose overlay and make it 70. At the second keyframe, make it 20. Now make duplicate of it and add it at the start of every clip. Sorry if my English is bad because English is not my first language. Now see the effect of overlay. Just wait, it will look more good. Just follow my steps. Now you can hear at the start of song, there are small beats before the main beat. So follow my steps, click on overlay and add a black image if are doing this step. Then good, and if you want to skip, then you can do it. Now make it as short as you can and try to adjust it on first beat. After adjusting it, make 4 or 5 duplicate if it. Now also try to adjust them according to beat, make them more short. I know it's hard, but you can do it. After adjusting it, select black overlay and click on animation and choose fade in and make its duration full. Now add fade into all black clips and make it duration full. After doing it, your video will look like this. Now again, go to the second clip. Then click on Effects and choose Oblique Blur. Make it short according to your clip comparison. You can see mine. Then click on Object and choose All Object. It is necessary. Then make a keyframe at the start and make the blur 96 or 100. Then add a keyframe at the end and make the blur 0 and rotate also 0. Now make duplicate if it and add it at the start of every clip 2 times. Now this is the result of your video now. Only the intro it left. Let's make it too. If you want to add this effect, then add it. Now for the intro, write the first name of your idol and choose your favorite font. Now write the last name, make the both text length according to first split. Now add a keyframe at the start and drag it like I'm doing. Now add a keyframe in the middle and again drag it back to its place. Do the same for second text, but on first keyframe, drag it to the opposite side of first text. If you find it hard, then just simply write the name of your idol. Now at the middle where the second keyframe is, make a text and write the song name. And choose a different font, then go to Style, then choose Glow and choose Yellow color. Now add a keyframe at the start and make the text small as much as go can. Now leave a little space and make another keyframe and zoom it not too much. Now go to Animation and choose Wave In and make its duration 0.9. Apply it for second. Text also. Now for the third text animation, choose Fade In. Now go to Animation, click on Out and choose Blur and make its duration 0.4 seconds. Apply it to the other to text also. And finally, you are done. Guys, it took me more than 5 hours to make this video. If you find it helpful, then please appreciate. I'll suggest you to use my audio. Click on the link from my channel and go to my Instagram. You will find my video there. Save it from there and use my audio. If you want any other tutorial, then let me know in comments. Till then, stay safe. Love from your Estella.